18, welcome back to my channel. Good news tayo sa ating nag-iisang Philip Suzon. Number 1, nanatiling number 1 ang kanyang album na 7 Cents sa Philippine iTunes. Kaya naman, congratulations Philip Suzon. At maraming salamat 18 sa walang sawang suporta na binigay niyo kay Philip Suzon at sa kanyang album na 7 Cents. Number 1 sa Philippine iTunes. Congratulations!
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.